Okay, so I recently ordered the Brave Star raw leather belt. I need a new belt. So let's take a look at what we got here. This is the package. I love it. I always love their packaging, handwritten, stay raw, nice little arrow here. Always a nice touch. Big fan of Brave Star. Let's open up the package and let's see what we have in here. Oh, we got the belt. All right. So here we go. We have the belt, the Made in USA stamp on there. All right. I'm gonna open this up. We're gonna take a look. All right, so like I said, this is raw leather. So meaning it hasn't been dyed or anything like that, all right? So I got the size, I think this is the 28. It fits like a 28, 30, 32. I wear 31s, so this is perfect. Unfinished edges here. I like that, I don't mind at all. And this is just gonna be my everyday wear belt, all right? Just kind of unravel it here. Let's look at the end, all right? Nice craftsmanship here. Let me get a little zoom on that for everybody. Good craftsmanship on the belt holes here. And again, I'm no belt expert. I'm just reviewing, how awesome this belt is. I'm gonna go to the buckle. It says Brave Star here. Now, I read some of the reviews and people complained about this, but look, I'm gonna be kind of a dick. I don't really know who's going to be reading this little loop on your belt buckle, all right? If someone's got their face that close to be reading this saying Brave Star, well, you're either really lucky or someone's really weird, all right? Take that as you will. I like the buckle itself here. Nice little antique brass. Obviously, this is removable too. So, I mean, if people really hate this, take it off. But I think that's cool. I support Brave Star. I'm proud to wear their product. So now, I'm just gonna wear this thing every single day and we're gonna see, how it fades. Now, if you have a pair of Brave Star jeans, then you've seen the patch itself breaks in really nice, all right? If you watch my other video with the 300 plus wears on a pair of Brave Stars, you're going to see kind of how that leather turns out after it fades. I mean, not fades, I'm sorry, fades. After it kind of breaks in and gets its natural color. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put this belt on and I'm just going to show you how it looks with the pair of shorts that I'm wearing, and we'll go from there. Okay, so here we go. I realized I wasn't going to review this belt wearing a pair of shorts. I put on my Brave Stars, or I put on the slim tapers. I put the belt on. Let me do a quick spin and show you how it looks. And that's what I was talking about here, everyone. This how this patch is distressed and kind of got its own little color here. It came this color, right? And I've had these about a little over a year, and it's gotten to this. So think of that with the belt. All right, I'm just gonna spin around here and show you the belt. All right, I'll take a step back. As you can see, it's still pretty white. It's still pretty raw. But again, I wear a belt every single day. So I'll be wearing this belt every day, and I think it looks pretty good. Check back with me in 6 months, and I'll have an update, and I'll show you guys what this belt is looking like. So thanks for watching. Hope everyone's summer is going okay, all things considered, and I'll talk to you later. Like and subscribe.